and welcome back to Reader's Hub at Home. Today's episode is called Ambi's Magic Vessels. In a village, there lived a man called Ambi. Everyone in the village thought he was a bit strange. He had funny hair, a funny manner, and in general was a weird sort of fellow. Around the time of his birthday, he decided to throw a big party for all his friends and family and neighbors. He decided that he was going to make every sort of sweet and every sort of savory. Gulab jamun, jalebi, laddu, muruku, tenkol, vada, you name it, and he was going to get it made. But when he went down to his kitchen, he saw he didn't have enough vessels. So he went to his neighbors and one by one asked them, Anna, do you have any vessels you can spare? Akka, do you have some extra pots and pans that I can use for my birthday party? All the neighbors were very hesitant to give their precious vessels to Ambi. Very reluctantly, they gave a few of them to him. His party rolled around and all his guests ate to their heart's content. After that, they sang and danced and went home thoroughly satisfied. Many months passed and Ambi did not return any of the neighbors' vessels. They began to get very worried. But one day, Ambi took a big cart from his house, which was stacked high with all his neighbors' vessels, and he went to each of their homes to return them. When he gave them, they saw that in addition to their own vessels, Ambi had given them very small vessels. Ambi explained, See, after my birthday party, the cooks had accidentally put all your vessels in a magic cellar. This cellar gave life to whatever you put inside it. When I realized their mistake, I ran down to the cellar. I opened the door and you won't believe what I saw. All your vessels were in a festive mood. There were 7 or 8 weddings happening at the same time. The pots and pans which were not getting married were busy singing and dancing and throwing rice on the new couples. When I saw this, I thought, how can I interrupt them in their time of happiness? So I left them alone for some time. When I went to check in on them later, I saw that some of the pots and pans had small little babies. So I bundled them all up together and I have brought them to you. Since they are your vessels, their children are also yours. Hence, I am giving them to you together. Ambi's neighbors were delighted. In addition to their own pots and pans, they got brand new little vessels. They thanked Ambi and sent him on his way. The next year, around the time of Ambi's birthday, all his neighbors very eagerly bundled up their vessels and they sent them off to Ambi's house. The party, of course, was a great success, and all the neighbors went home excitedly, waiting for their new vessels along with their old ones. Many months went by and there was no sign of Ambi and no sign of their vessels. They started joking amongst themselves. Ayyo, our pot's children would have finished school, finished college, still Ambi has not returned them. Let's go see what it's all about. So they all went over to Ambi's house and they asked him, Ambi, many months have come and gone. Where are our pots? Come on, return them. Ambi looked very sad. He went inside and dragged one bag out and he started handing the vessels back to his neighbors. They all counted and they saw some of their pots and pans were missing. They said, Hey Ambi, where are they? Come on, return them. Ambi took a deep breath. My friends, it pains me to say this, but some of your pots and pans, they died. Ambi's neighbors were shocked. How can vessels die? They said, Hey Ambi, don't play with us. Return our vessels immediately. Ambi said, What should I tell you, my friends? Some of your vessels have just passed away. We can't help it now. They were very upset now. They said, Hey Ambi, listen. You give us our vessels back now or we'll take you straight to the magistrate. It's your choice. Ambi said, I don't know what you want me to tell you. They're gone. We can't do anything now. They were very angry now. They went home, put their pots away, and they took Ambi straight to the magistrate. There, his neighbors told the magistrate the whole story. She looked at Ambi and said, Ambi, this is ridiculous. Return all their pots and pans back to them at the earliest moment. Ambi said, Madam Magistrate, it's the circle of life. When we accept the joy of birth, must we not accept the sorrow of death? The magistrate realized what Ambi was doing. She had no choice but to dismiss the case. And that is the end of the story. Did you enjoy Ambi's trickery? Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay home. And we'll catch you in the next episode. Bye bye.